In this video, I'll be showing you our SERP Analyzer, what it is and how to use it. So at a very top level, the SERP Analyzer is like a VPN and a SERP analysis tool all in one. As an example, for the keyword, how to do keyword research, we've plugged that in, and in the SERP analysis part of the tool, which you can see over here, we can see that the keyword is pretty difficult to rank for, medium. There's some really high domain authorities here, and you can see that by scanning down here. We can also see that there's 424 million results for that, so very popular term that lots of people are writing about. We tell you what the SERP contains, so organic results, there's the people also ask, there's a video, and there's related searches. So it gives you a bit more information about the type of content we need to create, i.e. video does well, but also these type of long form written guides. And I know they're long form because I can actually see the word count of a lot of them here. So the average word count, just making this up, but it seems to be 4,000 to 5,000 just scanning down. So we know it's long form guides and video type content will be the type of thing we need to produce for how to do keyword research. We also look at the impact that SERP features might have on trying to rank for this keyword. So it just really helps you prioritize what you're actually going to be doing. So in this example, it's low. And what we mean by that is if we scan down, like, although there's people also ask video and related searches, if we scan down for that keyword, we can actually see they do very little to detracting the click away from these top results. It's not like there's a big, massive video carousel here pushing everything down, and it's not like there's a load of paid ads and things in the way. So the actual SERP features impact is low on the strategy of you creating that blog or that guide in the first place. We also give you the intent. So of course it's informational in this example. We need to create an informational piece. Some of these are commercial. You can see that, or transactional in this case. There is actually a tool that ranks for this and a tool that ranks for this. So they're slightly different to the rest of the intent on that page. So you could almost rank twice, really. You could rank in the top 6 results for a guide, and then you could create a tool and rank in position 7 as well. We also have these 2 other views. So here is the live SERP, and this is more like that VPN I was talking to you about. You can actually see how the result looks in a given location, in a given country, for a given language, and you can scan down and see that. And then you can also see that there's a different view like this, which is maybe just a bit more user-friendly. You can copy all this data, or if you're looking for a specific client of yours, you can just Control F and see, where they rank for it. So HRS ranks in position 2. It's just, this is an image, so it's hard to Control F or actually do anything with this. Although you can take the screenshot and send that to any stakeholders if you need to. But here you can actually copy the data or Control F and look for a client there. It's, as I said, super easy to do. You just add your keyword, look at how many results you want. So we do from the top 10 to the top 100. Choose the location and the language, type of search. So you've got web, image, news, shopping, video, and also the device there as well. So as a different example, you can see for this keyword, write good content. We've actually done it on mobile. We can see the keyword difficulty is low. We see all the different SERP features, which has a low impact, but we can see the live SERP on a mobile. And again, we can see is a snippet view here. So that's how to use our SERP Analyzer. Let us know if you've got any questions. Hope you enjoy.